Hey guys, we're back, and guess what we're doing today? We're making some slime.
Yeah, because my mom wanted us to do that.
Yeah, she wants us to make this a YouTube video, so we're gonna.
Yeah, at least we're not doing hair extensions.
Yeah, she told us to do some hair extensions. We also got the off-brand glue, not Elmer's glue, because what's the difference? Why does it matter? Like, glue is glue.
This is really good. Try it. Okay, I haven't tried these yet.
It is really
These are
good.
chocolate peanut butter pie Oreo cookies.
We're also going to fill this bucket with slime. So yeah, I'm gonna take my stuff off because I do not want it to get ruined.
Oh, I could do laundry.
We'll do it after this video.
I'm just put it in there real quick.
Okay, so
We had to be adults and do laundry.
waiting for my dad to text me back. Okay, I have the recipe on my phone actually, just to make sure we're doing everything right. I screenshotted it. We've never made goo before, you guys, or slime or whatever. Okay, so squeeze these in here.
How much?
We can just do both of them.
Wait,
It
how much
says-
water do we put in?
It says it right here. 1 1/2 bottles of warm water, but it doesn't have to be warm.
How much is 1 1/2 bottle?
I'm gonna look it up, because I don't know. Probably just a cup, 2 cups, because we're gonna...
We can just pour slowly as we go.
It says 4 ounces of glue, but these are both 4 fluid ounces, so that's 8, so we just double everything.
Okay.
That's what I mean.
Watch it goes and be like.
That's what I'm gonna go with, is double everything.
What do you do?
So this top is on it, and I couldn't get it off, so I squeezed it in there.
Oh my god.
Go get a cup of water. Yeah, and a napkin. Here, let me set this down right here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, look, we're not make a mess.
I didn't! I didn't make a mess. I just...
My mom will kill us if we.
Huh?
Oh my god, why is there a bag in the sink?
A bag?
Yeah. It's gross. Oh, I gotta brush my teeth. Oh well. I think it's
Okay, well that's all of that glue. Do you want to throw that away?
No.
Okay. Will you grab me another napkin though, real quick? Oh, we also got...
Almost got glue on.
We also got these little glitter things. There's a bunch of different colors, so we're gonna like put some colors in there. Oh yeah, make sure it's all up. Go like tap it on the side like I did. Not like that. Like like this. Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
I think glue
Glue's
comes off.
weird.
Okay, now let's put some water in there.
Wait,
Do you want me to just
when
put
do
the
we
other...
put the borax in?
Look, I'm doing it how it says.
Oh.
I'm doing it in the order it says. It says to squeeze the glue in there and then put the water in and
When do
then...
we put the borax in?
Well, that's last. I don't know. Ooh. So this is what it looks like so far. Just
Ew.
a tub of glue. Like, that's all it is.
What if we just brought a tub of glue to school?
That would be so weird. I bet you someone would do it someday, though. 500 likes and we'll bring a tub of glue to school.
Ooh.
We would never get that many likes, so...
My cookie. Oh my god.
Okay, so this is the glue. Oh, I hurt my finger. I don't know why or how kids make this stuff, but they do. I bet you if we had Kendall here, she'd be showing us every step. Okay. That's all of the glue. Now, water. We're gonna need more water.
Whoa, that's cool. The water just kind of like sits on top of the glue.
Get like another half. fill it all the way up, actually.
It's cold in here. Are you
Yeah,
cold?
is the heater on?
Yeah.
Like the fireplace? It is.
So I have to change the hours because 2 hours is almost up.
Hope we're doing this right. Okay, now, what colors do you want? Do you want me to just do all of the colors?
No, because we don't want it to look ugly.
Well, it doesn't have to look pretty either.
We want it to look cute.
So, green, gold,
Gold,
gold and silver?
gold, yeah.
Gold and silver? Okay. These are like little glue glitter things. So, like, again, more glue. So that's why I put so much water. We'll do 2 of the silver and 2 of the gold. So that it has more. Don't stop it. We're at an Airbnb right now. So we're not at the regular place that we usually are in my house. So that's why the background and everything is different. But we'll show you guys what the Airbnb looks like when we're done with this video. Or done making our do.
Oh
Dump
my
this
god,
one
that
in.
looks cool. Ew. Okay, I forgot there's liquid in there.
Are you gonna mix it together with your hands or am I gonna have to? You're helping me.
I'll do it.
You're helping me.
Yeah. Wait, oh my god.
What? So I'll show you guys what this looks like right now.
Let's watch. This is satisfying. Wait.
Okay, I need to use 2 hands to mix mine together. You guys are sitting up on the laptop right now. That thing squirted. Okay. Now let's pour this one in there.
Man, I'm almost missing out on this glue. Okay,
She's gonna come home and play with it, dude.
Clearly, she's setting out Jones.
Yeah, because she would be home by now.
Yeah. I know. Dang.
All she needed to do was get a vacuum cleaner. Why does she even need a vacuum cleaner?
To vacuum that stuff up.
Oh. Take your hair tie off your wrist just in case, like, you get it all dirty.
Oh my god, get out.
Can we put a little bit of the blue one? Okay.
Or all of this. I want steak.
Borax.
Yes.
I should
That
put
actually
mine out.
might be her.
Oh, you think?
Wait.
I don't know. We would hear the door. And I've been hearing cars going by like this whole entire time you were in the shower. That's like the workers, I think. Will you get me like a spoon or like something so that I don't have to pour this all in there?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, give me a spoon or something.
I want steak. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow.
So this is what it looks like so far. We have all of the glitters and stuff in there. You guys can't really see it because it's liquidy, but we'll show you in a minute.
It's just like measuring.
It's fine. Now the borax is going in.
Oh my god, my hair looks good. You could just use this little part right here.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
How much goes in there?
Well, we're doubling everything, so about that much. And if we need more, we can just add more slowly. Oh my god.
Did we do it wrong?
No, it's starting to form
Oh.
already. Look.
Ew. Ew. What the heck?
Wait, we might need to put some more glue in here. Or some more borax. Put some more borax in here. Because we already put a lot of glue. Just slowly pour it. Hold on.
I think we have a lot of water.
Yeah. So we need like a lot of borax.
I was gonna dump the whole thing.
That works too. Oh yeah, that's getting a lot better. Yeah. Put some of that glue, like all of that glue in here, just so that it all forms.
Where?
Right there. Those little glue sticks. Right there.
Oh, the glitter?
Yeah.
It's not glue.
It's glue. Yeah, it is. I read the package. It's
Oh.
glitter glue.
Ow! What? I don't
Oh my god, it's working.
Ew! Wait, I squished something.
Like right on it? Yeah.
I put some more in.
Yeah, put a lot more in.
Sounds so gross.
We put too much water, you
I
guys.
knew it. Just put more water.
That's what it said to do though, especially for 4 ounces, and we put 8 ounces in.
Okay, but ew.
Should you dump this water or anything out? Like all of the water out?
Yeah, some of it. Oh my god, my mom.
How are we gonna dump it?
I don't know. In the toilet?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I need to like get this out. Oh yeah, let me put that on top of it.
Ew. Oh my god.
Set
grab
it down somewhere. I
can't.
can't. My hands are soaked. Okay.
Ew, don't touch me.
Hurry, hurry. Wait, give me the rest of that.
Oh my
glue.
god, no, I can figure it out. I got it. Would you leave the glue alone?
I need to get the rest of it
Ew.
so it goes together.
Gross.
Oh my god, it looks like a brain, you guys.
Oh, it's so gross. This better not dump it.
I'm not sure why it looks like this. But Kendall's always looks like this, and she sits there and plays with it until it forms.
Oh yeah, because the borax is already at the bottom already.
Yeah, and
Look
look.
how much borax we have.
Look at this. This is so gross.
Should I
See?
add some more borax?
Just
Bring it over
play
here.
with it till it forms.
Move my phone.
Oh my god.
My hands are dirty right now. So it's looking a little gross. Will you stop that and then we're gonna wait until it starts to form. Okay guys, so the goo is finally forming. It's slightly forming. This is probably gonna be a fail.
Oh my god.
Here, let me see. Oh my god.
That's your chunk. This is my chunk.
Your chunk? What does your chunk feel like? Goo? It's kind of forming, like actually. After we just put a freaking buttload of stuff on it. Just keep playing with it.
What is this tape?
I don't know. I'm gonna put some more sparkles in my chunk.
Ew.
Do you want some more?
Yeah. Ooh, I felt that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so messy, you guys. It's getting inside of my nails. Listen. ASMR. Maybe I should take them. Mine is more. Oops. Oh, look at this. Should we put some borax on just the goo now since all the water's out? Oh wait, there's still some borax in here. Let's just put dry borax on. So, oh my god, what? Don't just dump it in there. Here. Put your goo down.
Oh. Watch. Ooh.
Oh my god. Maybe we just needed a bunch.
Wait.
Oh, it feels better, less slimy.
Ew! Is this supposed to be slime? Oh my god.
It will get slimy, but like right now, it needs to freaking soak up some. out some more?
You gotta flap. Yeah.
It's actually feeling better.
Well, now let's get a couple water and just slowly pour some, like we should have done. But now it's kind of forming, so like that'll probably be easier if we just slowly put some water on. Here, like this. Wow, I'm taking photos. Ooh! Kelly, are you using the sink? What? Are you using the sink? No. Yeah, you are. You can't just wash my hands in that sink. It's gonna be okay. It's not clogging.
I think because I made sure the glitter wasn't going down the drain.
Ooh, this is
Oh! No, now feel mine.
Why
Because
is
I
it-
got it wet. It feels better.
ew. I took a lot of the borax.
Why are you
I don't
taking so much
I like
borax?
it. No, fuck this. Ooh, get on my slime.
It's not really slime.
It's a freaking ball.
So maybe we should have bought Elmer's glue. You guys comment down below what we did wrong. Because obviously
Well, this is
we
like
did
a
something
snowball.
wrong. But it's kind of forming, so I mean... Should we put some baking soda in it? Because one of the recipes that I saw where they put baking soda and borax. I don't know how to say that. So should we put a little baking soda in it?
Patty. Patty cut.
Listen, guys. Wait, let me close this door. Listen. You are using so much borax.
I like
Look,
it.
I filled this thing up with it, and now look. She used like all of it.
I like it.
I need to sit down. My back hurts. Look, mine is actually forming.
Is it? Oh my god,
You're
it
gonna
actually
get
is.
it all on
No,
there.
I'm not. I'm using all the more.
I'm gonna put some more water on it.
Ooh. Really like this box.
I'm not gonna put it on my bag.
Look at this.
So
All
Alexis,
borax.
it looks like a snowflake. Excuse me.
I like snowflakes. Excuse me. Oh. Really? Get in my belly.
Guys, I got some new shoes today. About time.
Roaches. No, I'm kidding.
No, they're not.
I know. Why do you think I said I'm kidding? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Look.
Oh.
Ooh! Yeah, look at mine.
Ew.
This is like,
Oh my god.
you know
wait.
that yellow slime that my friend gave me?
No. Oh yeah. Wait. What's Alexa do today?
Oh my god, Alexis. Let's move my phone.
Ew. Yeah.
But you know how I would let it sit out?
What do you mean?
Like, you know how I would let it sit out of the bag?
Oh yeah.
And it would get all hard?
Yeah.
That's what this reminds me of right now. So, I would always put lotion in it and it would form.
That's what we're supposed to do. Put lotion
So
in
go,
it.
do you have lotion?
Duh.
Put some lotion in this.
It's my smelly lotion. So
So it'll smell good. And then we'll tell your mom we made smelly slime.
Yeah, like she loved it. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Yeah, her mom is getting so many random ideas for us to be doing right now for YouTube. It's a little over the top.
Ooh, I'm getting the computer wet.
Just a little bit.
Oh, this feels so nice.
This is actually starting to feel like goo right now. I need to wash my hands off because I'm gonna play with it with the lotion now.
Oh, I'm gonna get my.
Oh yeah, are we gonna show them the Airbnb when we're done? Okay.
One day.
Okay. Oh, if you guys don't know what an Airbnb is, it's basically,
A place you rent out.
yeah,
Okay, so
Like a
this
little
is a
house.
lotion.
it's from Bath and Body Works. Her
It
best friend got it
smells
for her for
amazing.
Christmas.
Shout out. Oh my god, that chair almost went everywhere. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Shout
This
out
actually feels cool.
Jamie.
It's
Oh,
like
actually.
actually forming.
Okay. Just put some lotion in there.
Just put it on your thing. Wait, you should get it wet first, like I did with mine, because then mine feels like this now. Not too much, but like I'm gonna use this lotion though, because mine is kind of forming. So this is what mine looks like. Alexis's is just a ball of borax.
No, maybe I like my ball of borax. Okay.
Do it like to get like slowly. This lotion smells so amazing. You guys don't even understand. Mix the water stuff together
I
first.
don't want to touch my lotion with all crusty hands.
Just wash them again when you're done. Now it's starting to stretch. Maybe it's a good idea that I remembered the lotion.
Oh,
Oh my god, it smells good now.
I can smell it.
Look at all that extra borax that was on my hand. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alexis, you have way much more than I did. Look. It's working now.
How am I looking? Am I looking again? I don't want to use all of it.
Oh, I only used a little tiny bit. But your piece is also bigger than mine.
Pound. Ew. Ew. Sounds gross. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it looks like laundry detergent kind of. Like all the little specks of glitter in there. Sorry. I need to see if my dad texted me back. He didn't.
Can you?
Okay, so this is kind of a fail, guys, but it's really fun.
Oh, mine looks like it got like bigger.
Probably did. Does it feel better? Let me feel it. Oh, it looks better. Oh, yep.
Ooh. Look at this. This paste and mate.
Oh my gosh, you're
Sounds
crazy.
so gross.
Oh my god, it smells so good now.
It does. It does smell good. It smells. Oh my. Ew. Ew. You get back in there. Nasty.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Wait, bleach.
I need to get it a little bit more wet. Dude, yours is really forming there.
Oh my god, it splattered on me. Get it.
Oh, I didn't
Oh,
do it
no.
more. Okay, I need to put some more water on this.
Oh.
Just a little bit of
Oh,
water.
oh.
Did you think it was gonna go all the way down? So it's not the best goo, but it's goo. Like it's there. But oh,
Oh my god.
it's fine. You can see your gut.
Oh. What? Ew, look at it.
Yours is really gooey. Oh my god, that scared me so bad.
The
If
washer.
you guys are hearing noises, it's the washer. I
Oh
think
my
we already
God.
told them that though. Can I feel
No.
it? So Alexis is over here making a sculpture.
Oh my god, it looks like a piece of poo.
Listen, listen.
Oh my god.
Go together, go together.
Oh my god. Look at this. I'm still going.
Whoa, yours really feels like slime now.
Yeah.
I need to put some
Now
more
that
water
I'm doing
on mine.
this, we should do this and see if like it like breaks into it more because it's more open. Bro, look how long this piece is.
Hers is really feeling like slime now.
Oh my gosh. Maybe we didn't do it wrong. Oh no.
I don't think we did it wrong. I think we just added too much of something. But then after we put that lotion
no,
in,
no,
it's
no,
more
don't
stretchy.
Rip, don't rip. Don't rip.
Now put it all together. I think since we put that lotion in, it's more squishy and actually forming now. Because
Just like
look,
from this side. Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Look
So I
how
don't think we did it
long
wrong.
this is.
Yours is a bigger piece than mine. Mine's like a baby one.
Let's see if I can fit it all in. I can't.
Wait, this is a good thumbnail. Okay.
Oh my god, it's just gradually getting longer without me touching it. Wait, I'm gonna start from like right here and see if it gets longer without me touching it. Yep, it's getting longer.
Yep, it's definitely working.
Oh my gosh, my arm hurt. Yeah, feel it now.
Should we put them together now?
Keep doing that with yours.
Why, you don't want to ruin yours?
Yeah.
Mine is, feel mine. Mine is like yours.
I don't know why it like breaks apart like that.
It's probably just the type of glue that we use.
Well, look at it, look at it.
Yep.
Oh, hold on.
It like, what the heck? Yeah, see if the video can get it.
Okay. So watch it slowly go up.
It's gonna slowly go up. I don't know if they'll be able to see it,
I don't know.
but it's so cool. Okay, mine's getting longer without me touching it now. Look, look, look.
Yeah,
Okay,
it feel
let me
feel
see
it.
yours. Oh yeah, it feels like slime now.
And look, like all that
Feel
stuff is
mine.
off.
Yeah, all that stuff is off my hands
Oh, wow.
too. Mine feels good.
Okay, my hands hurt.
Should I put them together now?
Yeah.
And then should we put some more lotion in it?
Yeah, maybe that will help.
So this is a big ball of slime.
Yay.
And it really worked. You
Oh my
guys.
god, look at
It
the glue
really
that came
worked.
out. That glue came out. Are we done with this stuff right here?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
all
I'm
I
gonna
did.
show
So it worked. Mostly the colors that are in here is blue, red.
I'm gonna rinse this off and we're gonna set
The
it in.
bucket?
Yeah, and we're gonna
Yeah.
set it in there and see if it'll like spread out.
Yeah, rinse the bucket out in the bathtub. Look, you guys. Look, babe. So we
Uh-oh.
did it.
Oh my god, the glue got on the counter.
Oh, that was easy to clean up.
I'll rinse it out.
Rinse this top part off first. Part two. Like
Well, we're
through
not
there.
gonna use the top.
True. Well, to keep it from getting like hard, we're gonna close it, but we don't need to right now. I'm gonna put some more lotion on it. The lotion seems to really be helping it, you guys. Hold on. You can't hear me. They can't hear me talking. god. So it really did work. So I guess it doesn't matter if it's Elmer's glue or whatever kind of glue you buy, it really did work. It feels kind of weird because we have a whole bunch of sparkles in it, but that's how it's gonna feel.
Ow!
What?
It's the wall. Ooh. Okay, let us sit.
Oh, here, wait.
It's tightening up.
It's tightening up because we need to put some more lotion in it to make it like slime. I want a drink of that so bad. Oh yeah, that feels better.
Oh my gosh.
That feels better. Feel like
I
just
want
right
stick
here.
so bad. Oh, whoa. That's weird.
That's definitely slime
That's
now.
so weird. Ooh. Are we done with the borax?
Yeah, definitely. Do you want me to put these two last colors in it?
If you want, I mean. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, I just wasted all this milk. I want another cookie. Oh my god, it looks like Christmas.
Oh, show them. Your hands are clean, so.
Okay, well, my cookie's just gonna have to soak in there for her.
It's definitely Christmas colors.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
This is
Oh
gonna
my
be
God, my
Christmas
cookie.
goo. Oh, that feels so much better.
Really?
Yeah, it's definitely slimy. The computer shut off, that's why we keep doing that, you guys. God, it's so slimy. Look.
Ew, it kind of looks like poop. Ew!
It's literally dripping
God.
off my hand right now.
Oh my gosh, I think we did it.
You guys, we did it. Now this is the point where Kendall just washes her hands and sits there and plays with it.
Probably
I'm
have
about
to
to
play
do
with
that.
it for it.
You do for it to form better. So I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm just gonna sit here and play with it. Will you grab a paper towel? Some of the,
Yeah.
actually I think I can just get it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and just play with this because I know you don't want to.
Yeah.
Should I just wash them right here?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see the bathroom sink though? Like I can clean that easily with a paper towel.
No, I did not look.
You didn't want to look?
I didn't look.
I can clean it up easily. Where is that?
Ah! Oh my gosh, I want steak. Where is my mom? Did you put your fork in somewhere? Or? Keep that one on.
Okay, everybody. Now let's just play with this stuff. Did my dad text me?
No.
He's so rude. I just showed him the shoes that I bought.
It's probably worth it.
Yeah. Oh my god, it really feels like goo. Oh, yeah, her mom wanted us to make this video so bad.
Yeah, we do it.
For like
and
a
she's
week.
not here.
Yeah, she's not even here and we're doing it right now. Oh, I need to scoop this in. Time to talk to them.
Oh my gosh, it's 5:32.
Actually, will you just stop that video for right now? Our goo did it!
Ooh.
Just kidding.
Oh.
It deadass has so many sparkles in
It
it.
smells so good.
It really does. It smells like this lotion. It's not like a super stretchy glue, or well, it is really stretchy actually. But yeah.
What is
Okay, so we're gonna let this sit.
Ew, look at it. Oh my god. Do it again. And just,
Like, just throw it
wait.
Oh my god, it's going down now instead of up.
Ooh.
It's in my fingernails.
Ooh. Oh my god, did I just sneeze some of that stuff out?
Did you?
I don't know. Because it's like white all right here.
I don't think you sneeze white either. So that's a little weird.
Well, if the dust went up my nose.
True.
Ew. Ew.
Our slime is here. Oh my god, you're making it fall. Actually, it's kind of just falling on its
What in the...
own. Lotion. It's lotion. Look.
Oh, not my definition.
Oh my god, I just split it in the middle. Listen. Come here. Bring the camera.
Okay, hold on. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah.
So this isn't a fail after all, guys. Listen. Those are the sparkles that you're hearing, like the crunch.
That's so gross.
I can't believe we actually did it though. Me and Alexis do not do things like this, so I'm pretty proud of us.
No.
We'll show you guys the Airbnb in a second. I just want to keep like finishing this.
We should, after a while of you like playing with it, we should see what it's like. Oh my gosh, my eye.
I wish they could feel this. It feels like not super slimy, but like it's definitely slime.
Instagram notification. I'm gonna check. Oh my god, if you guys have... I thought I put my fingerprint in here.
You did.
Okay.
If what?
I don't know. If you guys haven't seen our last video, I recommend you watch it.
You need to watch it.
It's honestly kind of sad.
Yeah, the
But
ending is sad.
in the end, we got one survive. Well, we got one little buddy hanging around. Speaking of him, is Eric home?
No, but I fed him before I left last night, and I told my grandma that if I'm not back tomorrow to feed him, so should I call her after we're done with this video? Or call her right now.
I will in a minute.
You guys can hear my grandma. You guys met her in the last video.
We already have 31 and 36 for the first one.
Guys, look at this. You don't even know
You guys,
how freaking crazy this is right now. Oh my god, I just poked a hole in it with my nail.
oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, that's crazy.
It really did form. Like, it's sliming out of my hand right now.
Oh!
So it worked.
Keep snippling. Do 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 do.
Will you call my grandma?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're gonna show you the Airbnb. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. And there's a little table right there. This light, it dims, and the lights are like into the, like built into the ceiling. And you have this little bar stool thing, whatever. These chairs are so cute. Alexis's hair is on them. Anyways, they're really cute. They go up and down.
Oh my god,
This is,
in the laundry.
huh? This is this little closet area. In here is the bathroom plus the laundry room, which is gonna be a little loud because we are washing our clothes. So this is the bathroom. That's the dryer and the washer.
Sings to you, but
Yeah, when it's done, maybe we can get it on video, maybe not, but it sings to you. They also have this little stand right here. This is the shower, toilet. The shower has like this cute little glass, like decoration to it. Bathtub built in. Yes, that's our shower stuff. It also has a set of towels right there. This sink is so nice. It's got some glitter on it, but it's so cute. Anyways, let's close that door. Oh yeah, okay, so this place has a TV stand, and the TV stand, oh, and this big huge fridge. It's just a normal fridge. A little stand right here with some pictures, a ladder looking thing. These cute tables, there's one right there and then a longer one right here.
Ooh, oh my god, it's so dirty, okay. Look at this. You can't.
It comes with a remote,
Ooh,
and it's a
light,
heater
and
fireplace.
Ooh, we can go high. Ooh,
And this is the remote.
The time. Ooh.
Yeah, like you can set the times on it, like 3 hours.
And ooh, watch the fire. Watch the fire. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So Alexis is in love with it. You can set the heat and everything. And it comes built into this TV stand. So this is the TV stand. Yeah, it's really nice. And then, wait, does this connect to it?
What? The heat?
Or is it just the
No,
heater?
it's just normal heaters.
Oh. And then there's this big, huge TV, which sucks because this place does not have cable yet. So we can't watch TV. Oh, this nice couch. It's very huge.
My mom almost got this.
She did. It's from Lazy Boy, if you guys are wondering. This is the only room in this place because it's only a 1-bedroom. Oh, and also the blanket that you see out there is also the one that's supposed to be on this bed. It's a closet mirror. Anyways, there's nothing in this closet.
Just blankets and sheets.
Just some blankets and sheets, yeah, and a rug. And then, yeah.
Oh my god, my mom's hair is on the ground.
And then this room also has a TV, a nice dresser.
No.
Yeah, no cable once again. But this nice dresser, TV, same kind, like Vizio, but this one's just smaller. 2 little stands with some lights on it. This bed is not made. We were sleeping in it. And then down this hallway, literally nothing. Like nothing. It's literally nothing in this hallway. This room is just a storage room for the person who owns it. And yeah, it's a nice little place. Oh yes, I forgot. There is a little deck, and it's like boxed in, so nobody can see you, which is actually makes you feel comfortable probably. But when you go out here, oh, it's kind of raining, sprinkling, but it's just boxed in right here.
It's kind of cute.
It's really cute. It comes with the little chair, not that plate. Her mom was probably eating. But yeah, this is the place. It's really nice. It's not too big, not too small. It's kind of just right for the 2 of them. I'm just here because I came here last night and I'm spending the night again. And let me tell you, I slept on that couch and it is the most comfortable couch ever. It's really comfortable. Oh, an update on our slime. It's slime. It's really breakable, but it's slime. Like, here it is. It's slime.
We did it.
Yep. So, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, there's another one of those little tables. I almost forgot to show you guys this cute light. It's actually so neat.
The light, I don't know if the light.
It's really cute, though. It, like, I don't know if you guys can see it very good, but it's really cute. It's just a little lamp. So, yeah. Anyways, that's the place that we are staying at right now. Oh, and let me show you guys my favorite part. So, please hold. Oh, what the heck?
What?
Bonnie, like, high school texted me.
Why?
I don't know.
What did they say?
Hold on, I'll read it to you in a second.
No
My
school?
favorite part, no, we have school. My favorite part is up here, above the microwave. There's that little thing, and like you could literally just hide things up there. And then it came with a toaster. Oh, and in this one spot, I found a toaster oven.
I was in the closet.
It was in the closet.
Yeah.
Anyways, it comes with some plates. I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, just random things. Cups, you know, the essentials. Oh, silverware. Anyways, that's the place that we're staying at right now. Here.
Time to edit now.
We hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I just said thumbs up. That means the same thing. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you